Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Smart Students Hub. Today in this video we are going to learn about Maths first chapter integers quiz. Let's get into our topic. I think you all are ready to answer those quiz questions. Let us go to the first example. The pair of integers whose sum is minus 5. Here minus 5 is a negative number, means answer also we have to get minus 5. Okay, here if we will add two integers means we will get minus 5 and that will be the correct answer. For each question I will give you 10 seconds to think. Now I will tell you the answer for this question. First we will go to the first option. The given 5 and 0. We have to add 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Means here first option is wrong because it is a positive number. We have to get a negative number. Let us see one more example. 3 minus 3 plus minus 2. Here minus 3 plus minus 2 is 5. Yes, minus 5. Here we can understand that second option is the right answer. Yes, now let us go through the second question. Here what the given is, how many types of integers are there and what are they? There are two types of integers, negative integers and positive integers. Negative integers, they will represent minus symbol and positive integers, they will represent plus symbol. The second option is right. Now let us go through the third example. Let us see it. When you added a negative integer, in which direction did you move on the number line? Here means when you add a negative integer, which side you will move, right or left? If you have chosen D option, it will be the right answer. Let's see fourth question. When you subtract a positive integer, in which direction do you move on the number line? Your time starts now. Your answer will be left side. If you will subtract any positive integer, you always move on the left side. S means your answer will be left. Here now let us see the fifth question. If you will divide a negative integer by a negative integer, what will be the quotient? Your time starts now. Answer will be positive integer. Here, if you divide any negative integer by a negative integer, the quotient will be positive integer. Let us see another question. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result always will be what? Your time starts now. Your answer will be positive. Listen carefully, I will explain it. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always positive. Once again I will repeat. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always positive. And if they are opposite signs, the result is negative. Now let us see one more question. The sum of two numbers is minus 24. If one of them is minus 12, then the other number is what? Here if you choose option C, it will be the right answer because here you have to find the half of the 72. 72 half is 36. Here it is a negative number, means answer also we will get negative number. Answer is minus 36. Now let us go to another question. In integers, 0 is also called as what? Your time starts now. Here, 0 is also called as set of integers. It is not called as positive integers or negative integers. In between it will be there. That's why it is called as set of integers. And your answer will be B option, set of integers. Now let us see one more question. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always what? Your time starts now. Think and say. Your answer will be positive integers. Option B. I will explain it clearly. Listen carefully. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always positive. If they are of positive signs, the result is negative. Once again I repeat. When you multiply or divide two integers of same sign, the result is always positive. If they are of opposite signs, the result is always negative. Now let us see ninth question. Solve minus 32 subtracted from minus 40. Here we have to solve it. Time starts now. Now let us see the answer. Our answer will be 8. Now I will explain it. Here we have to subtract 40 from 32. We will get answer 8. We have to write plus symbol because minus into minus it becomes plus. Here plus 8 is our answer. Solve it. Minus 12 is multiplied minus 11 is multiplied with 10. What will be the product? Find the product of it. Your time starts now. Now I will say the answer for this question. Here D1 is the correct answer of this question. 1320. With this we will end this quiz. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos such that it will be boosting to me. Thank you.